everyone, today I'm going to read a story. The title of this story is Birds. This pelican has a big long beak. There's skin under its beak. The sac holds fish that the pelican scoop up from the water. This bird is a roadrunner. It lives in the desert and on the ground. It eats fast lizards, snakes, and bugs. The roadrunner runs very fast to get food. This toucan in the rainforest. It has a big, colorful beak. It uses its beak to pick fruit from trees. This big bird is an emu. It has small wings for such a large body, but it has very long, strong legs. It can run very fast to get away from danger. This puffin eats small fish. It is short and fat and has a colorful beak. Puffins look funny on land, but they spend most of their time in the sea. They swim under the water with their wings. Most owls come out at night. They have big eyes to help them see in the dark. Their feathers are very soft. Many can fly without making a sound. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds. They are bright and colorful. They can stay in one place when they fly. They use a long beak and tongues to get food from flowers. Eagles fly high above the ground. They can spot snakes, mice, and fish from high over land and water. Eagles have sharp claws on their feet and sharp beaks. They use their feet and beak to catch food and rip it apart. Cockatoos have thick, sharp beaks that can crack open hard nuts. Cockatoos live in large groups. They can be very loud. Vultures eat dead animals. Many have no feathers on their heads. Many have big holes in their beak. The holes help them to smell food from far away. Where does the pelican hold fish? A. In the sac under its wing. B. In a sac near its tail. C. In the sac under its beak. I choose C. What is the same about owls and eagles? A. They both have good eyesight. B. They both have small wings. C. They both have long beak. I choose I. What is true about all of the birds in this book? A. All of the birds eat fruit. B. All of the birds have beaks. C. All of the birds live in warm places. I choose B. Which sentence is an opinion? A. Owls come out at night. B. Puffins look funny on land. C. Roadrunner eat lizards, snakes, and insects. I choose B. Which detail describes a hummingbird? A. Short with colorful beak. B. Small with a long beak. C. Big with long legs. I choose B. I got 5 of 5 correct. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.